Okay, good day guys. Welcome back to the channel. Now to those of you that are yet to subscribe to this channel, be it you are new and you have not yet subscribed, guys, make sure you do well to click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like, make sure you share, make sure you make your comments, and also guys, make sure you follow the Telegram channel. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. So when you follow, go to the comment section, you see the link to the Telegram channel. Follow the Telegram channel so you will not miss out on any single updates. Now, if you take a look at this odd USD, right, we will start with the trend. And as you can see the trend on our odd USD, we are in an uptrend move. Market is very much clearly to the upside, right? We are having a series of higher high and higher low, which market is giving us a series of higher high and higher low. Now take a look at this movement right here on the weekly time frame. So this is it right here. This is the impulsive move that market did give us, right? When market did give us the impulsive move, we had the corrective phase. The market was able to push up again to form another impulsive move. Then here is the corrective phase. Market then was able to push up again to form another impulsive move, and this is the corrective phase, right? So market was now able to push up again to form another impulsive move, and this is the corrective phase. Now market have now been able to push up again to form another impulsive move. So we will be expecting a corrective phase next. So we should be expecting some sort of a bearish move this week on our odd USD before markets will continue to push up again. So that means we need to go to our daily time frame. So that means to tell you that when you take a look at this daily time frame, market should push up and take this high right here. So basically, if markets push up right here to form an higher high, then this will be seen as the higher low. This can also be seen as the higher high, and this will be seen as the higher low. This can also be seen as the higher high, and here comes the higher low. Now, this will also be seen as the higher high, and here comes the higher low right here. This is our higher low. So we will be expecting market to push further up till it is able to form a new higher high, right? So we should be expecting that new higher high to take out this previous high right here. So guys, a bullish move is what we are going to be expecting next on our odd USD. So odd USD should be giving us a bullish move for the day. Now, take a look at it on this 4-hour time frame right here. We would expect markets to actually reject from this level, because when you take a look at this your current trend of 4-hour time frame, you can see that market is ranging within this level right here. So market was able to come here to right, which may give us a rejection, and it dropped back right here. Market was able to push up again to come to this level, which has now given us a rejection, and it has dropped back to our support level. Then we should expect market to push up again to tap this resistance level, which it has done. Now our next movement on odd USD for the week right now be a sell till it's able to tap the support level. So first thing first, let's expect odd USD to drop to tap our support level. Now, if odd USD can drop to tap our support level at a level of 0.69300, right? That is what we should be expecting. We should be expecting it to drop to a level of 0.69300. Once it can drop and tap a level of 0.69300, then I'm going to give you guys an update on what you should be expecting next on odd USD, as odd USD is likely to reject and push up again. So guys, expect it to drop to a level of 0.69300. Once it taps the level of 0.69300, expect an update. So in order for you not to miss out on the update, all you just need to do is click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like, make sure you share, make sure you make your comments, and also follow the Telegram channel so you don't miss out on any single updates. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. So above all, we will be anticipating for a sell to our support level. After it comes to our support level, then I'll let you guys to give you guys an update next.